can't always stay. Try to recreate, 'cause you don't let down. It's not a mistake you won't forget about.
Hello and welcome. How is it already? What time is it? It's like 2:30. My morning completely got away from me. Oh my gosh. You know when you have all these plans in the morning and then there's a cute black cat out there. Anyway, it is so freaking hot lately. Like, I'm texting my friends who have lived here for a while and I'm like, is 100 degrees normal? It is normal. It's very, very hot, and yeah, it's weird because we're north, so it's cooler in the mornings and warmer in the evenings. Yeah, so it's definitely an adjustment. I've been pretty homesick lately and kind of lonely. Like, I know I have friends, just, I don't know. It's just, I think because I'm working so much, I'm just kind of working a lot. I'm working on a very exciting project right now that I haven't announced yet. And it's all consuming, and so I'm just nonstop working. And I think when I'm working so much, I get isolated, and I'm a very social person, so I really like to see my friends and see the people who uplift me. And being in front of my computer all the time is so draining, and it's not the life that I want. Like, sometimes I have these really distilled, concentrated periods of work time, and I have so much to do, and so I have to be chained to my computer a little bit, and I'm not happy about it. However, I know it's temporary and I'm gonna go back to a regular work schedule very soon. But ultimately, what makes me feel the happiest is spending time with my family, spending time with Cosmo, spending time with people I love, and being out in nature and combining all of that. So it's Saturday and I finally got Cosmo down. Sleep has been all over the place lately. What's going on? Anyway, it's family day and we are gonna go to the river. Thank you so much to Aventon for sponsoring today's video. So when we were looking for a home here in Boise, one of the biggest boxes to check was that the location had to be bikeable to the greenbelt, the gorgeous lush trail along the Boise River. We knew this was going to be a regular summer activity for us, so when Aventon reached out to work together, I was so excited, and I cannot tell you how much fun we're having. We got our Aventon e-bikes a couple weeks ago and have not stopped riding them. We are kind of obsessed. In fact, since I've been so homesick lately for a few things about California, the beach, the farmer's market, my parents, and my friends, these bike rides along the river really fill me up and remind me why we made this big move to another state. Okay, so the reason Aventon is so amazing as an e-bike brand is because you really get the best bang for your buck as far as e-bikes go. They aren't on the crazy high end price-wise, and they are very high quality and durable. We have been extremely happy with the products and would honestly recommend them to anyone we know. I was actually kind of hesitant about getting e-bikes because, one, I was kind of scared of them, and two, I thought I wouldn't really get exercise because they're powered. But I actually feel safer on the e-bike because I'm never just like stalled in the street, just trying to get going from a full stop. And I'm so happy to find that we are still totally getting exercise. I love using the pedal assist function just to get a little help from the motor, all while working my cardio, my core, and my legs. And it's super easy to forego the motor altogether, so it can ride just like a regular bike if I want. Aventon has so many different types of e-bikes to choose from, and I'm telling you, they are so easy to use and so much fun. Each e-bike has been meticulously designed to suit a variety of riding needs and styles, and these bikes are extremely highly rated by regular customers online as well as the experts. But our favorite thing about having these e-bikes is that they get us out of the house and to the river, spending time together as a family in nature. Aventon's roots lie in high-performance cycling with a reputation for disrupting the market by providing top-tier products at an attainable price. Their products are accessible, their designs are elegant, and their performance is reliable. E-bikes have been all the rage lately, so if you're ready to jump on the e-bike train, definitely check out my link because Aventon has the best bikes for the best price. All right, back to our day. So I'm gonna eat some leftovers. I'll show you what they are. It's not terribly exciting. I whipped up some stir fry with tofu and vegetables and brown rice, and I'll put a little sriracha on there, and I'm gonna eat that. It's warming up in the oven right now, and Cosmo's gonna wake up, and we're gonna go to the river on our bikes. I can't wait. So I'm just having tofu and a ton of veggies and rice, and Eric's having some hummus and we are going to chill during nap time and watch a show. We're watching For All Mankind, and my friend Cynthia's in it, and you guys should watch it because it's really bomb. Are you excited to go on the bikes? Are you so excited? Look. We're home with the garden. You still have mango on your face, buddy. Get the basil. Whoa! Whoa, that's really fast. Let me get like this.
Oh boy! And then we put the chin strap on. There you go.
Get in. He knows what to do.
You're my sunshine every morning, light up every moment, make my every dream come true. Oh, I can't describe it. Took my tongue and tied it, sent my heart over the moon. It come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Come take my hand and fly away with me.
You booping the water? Doing the buckles? Show mommy. Whoa, good job.
We'll turn all the pages, check off all the places. Every day is something new. Don't that sky look blue? Yeah. It come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Come take my hand and fly away with
My hammock.
Good idea. You creep. This kid is chowing down on cucumbers and apples. It's such a little vegan kid sometimes.
But no watermelon today.
No watermelon, just cucumbers and apples. Apple.
You want to throw some rocks in a little bit?
Well, it's just gonna be one of those long summer nights. It's like 6:45 and we're gonna get back on the bike, and it is 7. We're gonna get back on the bikes and check out the food trucks. There's a vegan food truck, and you just are in the shot now. I guess I heard there's a sushi food truck too, so I might get an avocado roll. But Mr. Man is just very into rocks and sticks at the moment. Hold on. That's a little heavy for you, buddy. Anyway, this is one of our favorite spots on the river. It just feels very naturey and just really beautiful, and not a lot of people come here. And actually, there was a couple here with their dog, and when we walked up, they were just so friendly and open. And we exchanged numbers because they're runners too. We have like no running friends up here. So if you ever see us around, especially on our new bikes, come say hi, don't be shy.
rise from the ashes. I will mean it.
Maybe get this.
You are very welcome. We have them all.
You know what I think? I think that you are dope. Like really dope. Yeah.
They may disagree, but I think you're something special. They might disagree, but I think you're something new. Don't you let them bother you with their futile, frail opinions. I think you're really one of a kind.
I tell them now, hey, I think you're really good at doing what you do. Beautiful as the sky, even if you feel blue. Ooh, ooh, ooh. A flash song, you got it. I think I feel grounded, cause you're so solid. And nobody can take your shine away. Listen, hey, I got a bone to pick, cause many want a counterfeit, cause many want another hit of beauty in a tighter fit. Escape inside the visual, the money and the physical. Stuck inside the visible, it's looking like a ritual. I'm saying,
If you only felt what I feel about you, then maybe you wouldn't need what they say you do.
Oh shoot, I was recording. Just kidding.